In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the viral TikTok voiceover in Elevenlabs. First, open Elevenlabs and head to the text-to-speech section from the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you will create the voiceover and customize how it sounds. If you are new to the platform, don't worry, everything is pretty straightforward once you know where to look. After that, move over to the right side and select a voice. You'll see a search bar that lets you search or filter through trending narrator voices. Two of the most popular options are Adam and Rachel. And that's because they have a natural, engaging tone that works really well for short-form content like TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Go ahead and choose the one that best fits the style you want. Once you've selected the voice, the next step is to adjust the advanced voice settings. This part makes a big difference because the default settings don't always give you that casual, viral style delivery people are looking for. Start with stability. If you lower this slightly, somewhere around 30 to 40%, the voice will sound more emotional and have a bit more natural variation, which usually works really well for social media content. If you increase it to around 75%, the voice becomes more rigid and monotone. So that's better if you want something more controlled and steady. Next, set similarity fairly high, around 75 to 85%. This helps the AI sound polished, clear, and distinct, while still keeping the character of the selected voice. Then look at style exaggeration. Raise this if you want the performance to sound more dramatic or more over the top. This can be useful if your video needs extra energy or emphasis. But in many cases, a balanced setting will sound more natural. Once your settings are in place, paste or type in your script. Make sure your wording is clean and easy to read because the final audio will only sound as good as the text you give it. Now click Generate Speech to preview the audio. Listen carefully to see if the pacing, tone, and energy match the kind of TikTok voiceover you want. If it sounds right, click Download in the bottom right to save the file as an MP3. Finally, import the audio into an editing app like CapCut and sync it with your video clips. That's the step where everything comes together, and your content starts to feel polished and ready to post. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.